Hey guys, so I'm just gonna do my brows real quick and then I will get back to you. Let me walk you through this process a bit. Time and time I get to ask persons ask me how I get my brows so neat. But here goes. This is a thing that I do on a daily basis. How I get my brows like this. So what you're gonna need two pencil liners, a dark and a dark brown one. So what I'm indicating to you, that is where you would draw your line to stop, because you don't want to make it look unnatural and uneven, so you don't want to draw past your eye ending there. And so for the beginners, you could do one of the brows like I did, and this will help you to match up with the other that you're doing to make them look a bit similar. No brows are the same, and you will not get your brows to look the same. They're not identical twin, but they are sisters. So you want to match them as perfectly. So now that you're adding your concealer, you want to blend your concealer, and the concealer is what makes your brows looks realistic. So you want to blend that product out, because I don't like to see when too much concealer is left out and it doesn't look properly, when especially when the sun is out and um it has been shown. I don't like it, so just blend out that part of it. And then you want to go over back your lines with the pencil. Maybe you can use a brown or the dark one, whichever you prefer. So you want to get it as neat as possible, and it is very simple. So this is the end of the video, guys, and thanks for watching again. Do remember to subscribe, and I'm going to post some before and after pictures. So here goes. Thank you again, and bye.